Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can create another Google account. So just open the Google Chrome and then you can click your Google profile in the top right corner, and then just click your Google account here and just add account. So you can click create account below, and you can select for yourself or manage your business. For instance, I select for myself, and you can enter your name and click next. You can enter your birthday and gender and click next. So you can choose your Gmail address, pick a Gmail address, or you can create your own and click next. So this you can create a strong password here. Just click next, and you can enter your phone number for use across Google service, or you can swipe up and click skip. So just click next and then click I agree. So your new Google account is appear here. Just click down, and this tutorial is very simple, but I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have done that already. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer. So, and if you found this video helpful for you guys, please click the thanks button, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.